Hello, I am Yash from the Young Mind family. Today I am here to discuss the topic conservation of momentum. What is conservation of momentum? Conservation of momentum says that the sum of moment of two objects before collision is equal to the moment of two objects after collision. We are now supposing two physical bodies. One body is having mass A and its initial velocity is UA, and one body is having mass B and its initial velocity is UB. After collision, both bodies' mass doesn't change, but their final velocities changes. Now, first body's mass initial velocity is VA and second body's initial velocity, final velocity is VB. Now, its mathematical formula is MAUA plus MBUB is equals to MABA plus MBVB. Now, during collision, ball A exerts force on ball B, and as we know by the third law of motion, every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, ball B also exerts force on ball A, which is equal and opposite, and it is force B. Now, as we know by the second law of motion, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So we put mass and into acceleration, which is change in velocity per unit time. So we put first body's mass and change in velocity per unit time, and the second body's mass and change in velocity per unit time. And after cutting both T's and multiplying both ends from their respective brackets, we get an equation which is similar to the formula of conservation of momentum, and after rearranging the formula, we got the formula of conservation of momentum. Hence proved that the momentum is equal after and before the collision. Thank you.